Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back. So we're going to continue the video where we left off in the previous video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the product research and all that stuff. A couple of things that you need to know if you want to make more money, a lot more money on affiliate marketing, and in every campaign that you promote as an affiliate. So if you haven't watched the previous video, make sure to do so, because if you haven't watched it, this video is not gonna make that much sense to you. Okay, so it's important to watch it. I'm gonna put it up here or up here, I'm not sure. It's gonna pop up, so make sure to watch it. Okay, so in this video we're gonna talk about, the first thing I'm gonna start with is the product research. Okay, so what is this? What is two-level product research? So basically, let me actually erase this. So two-level product research means that you before you even start building that network that I just erased right now, so before you start even building that network, what you want to do is you want to consider two products in mind instead of one. Okay, so the first product is going to be your main product, right? So this is, let's say this is your first product. Okay, so it's an eraser. So you want to make sure that after this one you sell another product to them. Okay, so let's say this is your initial product. The next product is going to be maybe a marker, right? Or maybe another better eraser or something like that, right? So you want to sell a related product to the previous one. So for example, a good example of that would be in like one of the niche that I'm starting to promote a lot of products, and that's real estate. So what I do is, for example, the first, like the front course that I'm promoting as an affiliate is a real estate course. So basically it teaches how to sell houses and all that stuff. And then another course that I promote after selling that initial course is a course where it's like a tool where people actually can just do research. Like it's a tool that grabs information from other search tools, like home related search tools and stuff. So it's like a tool that people who in this business, in the real estate business, can use, right? So it's a useful thing. They're gonna buy it, and people actually do buy it. So the point is, before you even start thinking about your first product, you need to have this idea that, okay, I want to sell two products. The first one should get them ready for the second product. If you do this, you're going to make a lot of money. If you don't do this, you're going to leave a lot of money on the table, and it's just not good. Okay, because there's a lot more money to be made, especially when you sell something initially to someone. Okay, so it's really important to have two products in mind. Like the way you do your research. Make sure you find two products. One product is going to be your front product, and then the next one is going to be back end product after they bought this front product. Another thing is moving people to a list. Okay, so if you promote affiliate products, obviously you don't have control over the buyers list, right? So you're just sending traffic to the sales page, so you can't control, you can't move people around in your email, in your autoresponder. So how do you do it? How do you create that buyer list accurately in your autoresponder? And the answer is really simple. What I do is, this is something I've talked about before, and we talk about in details inside CV Masters Academy, by the way. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. We create a bonus. So when someone actually buys the initial product, they're gonna contact us. They're gonna sign up to a list, put their name and email and their order number, and they're gonna click submit, and it's going to submit them to our buyers list in the autoresponder. So this way we separate people who have joined the list for free and who people who have joined the list, who people who have actually bought the product. So this is how we separate them. And if you pay attention, if you remember in the previous video where I showed the website, I had a second button that would that people could actually click to submit their information to get their bonuses. That's how I actually move people around and build the buyers list. So again, the point of doing a two-level product research is to sell more products, right? So this is the first product, and then there's going to be another product. So how do you actually do this? This is the important part that you have to understand. Okay, now there's a really special process for this. If you don't do this right, you can just mess it up easily. All right, so, and we, like inside CV Masters Academy, by the way, I actually have an entire course for this specific a specific funnel. So it's called the 7-touch funnel. So what I do is when someone joins my list, so this is the buyers list. So what I do is I send them through 7 emails. Okay. Just make sure you see that. All right, there you go. So this is number 1, number 2, number 5, number 6, number 7. So I send them through 7 different emails, and in these emails I don't sell anything. Okay, so in these, like, again, each one of these emails, they have their own specific content, so I'm not going to get into details because inside that course I actually have the script for each one, so you can see it in there. But each one, like, I started providing value, but I distance them, like I spread them around. Okay, so like in first, second, and third, I talk about the course. I ask them, hey, how's your progress with the course? What's going on with it? Do you like it? You don't like it? You know, let me know what you think about it. You know, you try to make a conversation, start a conversation with them. And you know, like in some of these emails, like 4, 5, 6, you cannot, like, not actually 6, but in 4 or 5, you can start, you know, talking about the course. But like, hey, have you checked out this part? Because, you know, as an affiliate, you need to know what's inside the product. It's really important. So you can say, hey, make sure you check out this section. It's really cool. You can, you know, in this section, there's a video about this, or there's a PDF about this. So, you know, you give them more information about the course so you can explore it better. Okay, so and then email 6 and 7, you start talking about the product you have. Okay, so you start maybe in email number 6, you tell them, hey, I found this really cool product that can be useful to, you know, like for example, in this case, it's a real estate product. We can say, hey, it's a really cool research tool. It's just amazing. You know, you talk about it, but you don't leave a link at all. Okay, and on the 7th email, which is your last email, you send them to the sales page. This is where you talk about the product. You say, hey, remember that product I talked about in previous email? You should definitely check it out. This is the link to it. So this is what I call a 7-touch funnel, and there's a whole course for it inside CV Masters Academy. Actually, let me show you. All right, guys, so here's the 7-touch funnel. This is one of the courses inside CV Masters Academy. So as you see, there's a lot of videos, and it just explains everything step by step in detail. You know, your copies, your subjects, you know, your funnels, and everything in detail. So it's an amazing course that you're gonna get inside CV Masters Academy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications because I'm posting a video every single day. And by the way, I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to CV Masters Academy. If you want to learn more, you're going to get all these things in detail inside CV Masters Academy, and also inside CV Masters Academy, you're going to actually see me building campaigns. So it's not just me talking about it, you're going to see me building it. You're going to see it on my screen, click by click, building the campaign right in front of you. So you should definitely check it out if you want to learn all of these things in detail. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next one.